What's up guys, the official DM7 here, and today we got a new product called the Anker PowerPort 10. This is a multitasking charger for chargers that use USBs right here. So we're gonna open it up. Right here. America's #1 USB charging brand. Thanks for choosing Anker. Let's see what we get inside the box. Alright, so we got the actual thing right here. Fast and safer charging with our leading technology. 10 million plus happy guests and counting. Alright. Fast power IQ charging, multi-protect, voltage boost. So inside we get the charging cable, get a Velcro strap, we get an adhesive, charger insulation adhesive tip, the books, welcome guide, probably going to need to read that later, and that's it. Overall nice packaging. Let's check out the product. Comes in a nice little plastic. So here it is. We got 10 ports right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right there. Power IQ charging. Nice matte finish right here. On and off button. This is where you're gonna put this thing in right here. And we can put the adhesive on the bottom, make it stick, you know, make it nice how you want it. Let's try to put some USBs in here. Fits in very nice. There you go. You can fit 8 more, so you got plenty of space. And this cost me 30 bucks. It was on sale on Amazon for 30 bucks, but right now I believe it is at $39.99, but I got it at $29.99. Anker right here. Nice product overall, not cheap looking, decently heavy. And now let's set this up. Alright guys, so we got the thing right here. We're about to plug it in. Put it in right here. I'm gonna bring it behind to my desk. Guys, so I brought it right here. I'm gonna put in some USBs that I have right here. Got 1, 2 right here. And we have more all over the place. So this is it. You get 10 ports. I only got 3 in here right now. I'll be putting more in there right now. And once you turn this on, the blue light right here does turn on next to the IQ. Off, on. And just to show you guys that it works, let me plug this in real quick. Right here. You got it right there. Charging. There. Alright guys, so that's it. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.